Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix blink module to red light constant. Watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. If your sync module display a solid red light during setup, it indicates that the sync module is unable to connect to your Wi-Fi network or the entered Wi-Fi password may be incorrect. Before you attempt troubleshooting, please verify network compatibility. Your network meets the requirement necessary for blink devices as outlined in Understanding Wi-Fi and Network Requirements. Second, sync module placement. The sync module is in the same room as your router, but not too close. Ensure it is also positioned away from physical obstructions to avoid network interference. The third is Wi-Fi password. The Wi-Fi password enter is correct. If you receive an incorrect password to your Wi-Fi alert in the Blink app during sync module setup, re-enter the password carefully and try again. Fourth is no app conflict or network interference. There are no apps that conflict with the Blink app or any VPNs, firewalls or antivirus apps activate or connected to your mobile device. Now let's see the troubleshooting steps. First, power cycle the sync module. Disconnect the sync module from power for 10 seconds. Then plug it back in. After rebooting, a solid blue and blinking green LED indicates the device is ready for setup. The second step is to power cycle your router. Unplug your router from the power outlet. Wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. The second step is to simplify Wi-Fi configuration. Disconnect any ports or extenders and ensure that only your main router is powered on. Note, after your sync module connects successfully, you can reconnect any ports or extenders that were previously disconnected. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.